NEET 2021 question. PQRS is parallelogram. Two adjacent sides of parallelogram are A and B, that is represented by 3i plus 4j plus 5k, I minus j minus k. Then find out area of parallelogram PQRS. Now what is the equation of area of parallelogram? That is mod A cross B. And here A cross B is equal to determinant I, j, k. Components of A 3, 4 and 5. Components of B 1, minus 1, minus 1. So I caret in bracket 4 into minus 1, minus 4. Minus 5 into minus 1, so minus minus plus 5. Minus j 3 into minus 1, minus 3. 5 into 1, minus 5. Plus k caret 3 into minus 1, minus 3. 4 into 1, so minus 4. So answer is I caret minus minus plus 8j caret and minus 7k caret. Now area is equal to mod A cross B is equal to square root. Coefficient of I is 1, so 1 square. Coefficient of j 8 square. Coefficient of k minus 7, so minus 7 square. So 1 plus 64 plus 49. So answer is root 114. That is the area of parallelogram PQRS. Thank you.